Bear from Minecraft.
My guy,
Yes, you sound like him
Gabby.
so much.
J for drums.
You're
Okay.
V3, I think.
Okay.
Yo, it's me.
Might be.
It's me, the big
Okay,
Bartolozzi.
I've never played the game.
Yo, it's
It's
the
me,
guy
Joe
from
Bartolozzi.
The game. Why the fuck are you
Batman
the
boys.
happy then?
Yo, look at the back of my
Oh,
avatar.
Oh shit, that's so peak.
Octopus.
Peak.
Where's the pet?
Yes,
It's
I am
cold.
the peak, brother. I'm the peak.
Cold.
Oh, shit. Wait,
Mm.
wait,
It's cold.
wait. Is that the N-word I say? Wait a minute.
Are you okay?
Wait a minute. Wait. I have another avatar.
You look schizophrenic?
Right now I'm missing Flash. I also miss you.
No, it's not me. Yeah, who was that? Who was that? Which one of y'all?
Big guys to grab 'em fine. Shoving my booty into my. Look, my dick and come start dripping. Took a bite. Guys, take a look.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I changed my bio a bit.
Let's go. No, sing it all loud and
Sucker, I'm only 2010.
So you're
Born in 2010.
Wait,
No, born in 2010.
No, that'll be.
That's...
Dave, my other hand.
Yes, there you go, you got your math. Finally, someone who can do their math.
You. Yeah, I'm 2 years old. Someone said.
What the hell is going on?
That was so random.
doing time zone.
This one, this one, this one, this one.
Oh,
this
don't
one.
care.
Jesus.
As long as it's not part of
My family is currently 5 hours ahead of me because I'm currently on a campus.
Apparently there's a
fucking fat ass
in
just
here,
left the
don't
So after time,
instance.
every call.
Are you fucking shitting me?
Yeah, I don't know.
Shut up. Shut up.
Mm. How about I even mark up right?
You okay, dear?
Touch you!
Put your torso there again. Touch me. Mark what my ass, bro. We are not trying to recreate.
Bro.
Oh, don't evil mark what my ass.
Hold on, wait, I'll be asleep. Hold on, wait. I'll be asleep. Oh, it's the guy who called me. I'll be the guy who called my god.
Can I grab that?
Alright, sign the petition.
Wait, hold
Fuck no. Dude, that's
Where's the
done.
petition?
Don't
Okay,
turn
there.
down.
Fuck
It's fucking
drops.
turning.
I stole the petition paper.
What? I can't hear you. You're fucking black.
Why are you on a swivel? Why are you
I'm
on a
black.
swivel?
I'm black. I'm black. Black.
I'm
I'm
trying
black.
to
you're
click
doing
on her
some-
avatar. What the frick?
Yeah, like. Are you?
Bro.
It's the same avatar as you.
No, it's a little poly.
Oh, wait, is it? Oh, it is. Oh, it is. Okay. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
I can't fucking. Bro.
If you want to do it, just go to your little quick menu and go to your third section with a little.
You think I'll know that
waypoint.
shit?
Oh yeah, that's some.
The rocket launcher.
Hello.
Negative 4
How the
rocket
fuck am I
launcher.
holding the knife like this? What the fuck did I do?
Oh my dude, yo, where my boys?
What the fuck am I so-
Where my boys?
Caught it again.
I'm so fucking
good.
slow.
What do you
Well,
mean?
that's why.
Just fly.
Dutch.
Racist people.
Mm-mm.
People who say they're racist aren't actually racist.
I'm gonna keep smelling the cotton candy.
No, that's not what I meant to say.
Hold on,
Jesus.
you guys stay here. I'm gonna be
People
right
on
back.
here
I
who
gotta
say the
do
N-word aren't actually racist. They just say they get to say it.
Cotton candy.
But still, they're still racist.
I'll probably make myself another.
Well,
Yeah,
saying
I got a
clanker,
friend
like
now.
with our murder drones,
Me too.
basically is meant basically saying the N-word for robots.
Hold on, I gotta go chase them down, and I gotta do the friend voice line, like the new
Was
friend
you
voice line.
a fucking 22-year-old? I don't know.
Tough tacos later.
I'm just getting flung around. Do you wanna go explore? I've never
I've
been in
already
this one.
explored this many times.
Then I haven't, and I don't feel like moving.
Ugh.
Yeah.
He's got a phone.
Yeah, you're feeding him.
Where did where did the other one go? And where
Then
not over here. Mm.
Shay.
Oh, it's I remember you.
You fucking don't,
Yesterday,
right?
or something like that. 3 days
Isn't
ago,
it
something
adult?
like that. English.
Yeah, I wouldn't know.
Sir was actually just a freak fest.
No, I fell off. You took it off. You. No, you didn't. There. I'm up behind you.
If Toby found out I didn't the whole day.
Are you a Freak Circus fan, perhaps?
We both are.
Why?
Because it says Harlequin.
And my profile's Piero.
Your roommate have your heart.
Ah!
I want you to
Stop! No, I'm gonna. No.
You don't know if I was a child or not.
No.
Wait, how old were they? No, now I gotta ask.
Dear,
Wait, how old are you?
if
I'm
they're a
16.
fan,
They're 16!
dear, if they're a fan, I'm gonna get posted.
No. That's inappropriate. That's inappropriate. That's inappropriate. That's inappropriate.
Dear, dear,
I don't
if
care.
it's not, dear, if it's not sexual, it's not inappropriate.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I would know.
I literally said it
No,
one
I
of the
requested
voice
all my
lines.
friends, none of them lied to me.
You
I know.
forget voice
I know.
impressioner.
I
Mm.
requested off 4 of my friends, and none of them.
Fine, I'm going somewhere else.
All of them pieces of crap.
You don't let me no more.
Huh? Yo, actually, finish your damn sentence.
Shit.
Yo, I requested off Death Star 2 other friends.
No shit. Anal.
No.
Fine then, you ain't ever get to touch me again.
That's your decision. I'm not gonna force it.
Whoa!
How are you? Yo, how are you doing? What? You want a kiss?
Jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez, Rick, oh jeez.
Fuck up.
Is this too bad for these people or
I've
not?
already blocked them.
Thank you, thank you.
Fuck you, nigga.
Oh jeez, Rick.
No. Did you not see what that one did? Come up to me, why?
What?
Just telling you. I'm fine, but if they're little kids going up to adults, I'll write them
I
on.
got caught. No, I won't. Ah, shit. There we go.
I got GTA 6.
Huh?
Hmm? No. If another child comes up behind me and goes, I'm done.
There's a thing called a block button.
I know.
And plus, after the private videos.
Yeah, that's why I've been blocking people like that. Fucking ridiculous, man.
It doesn't look good for my.
Oh, that's adorable.
Yeah. Oh my god, yes. Whenever you sit down to play a game and then everyone in the house leaves.
Jesus Christ!
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Oh, you nerd. Alright. Bye, dear.
Damn, I can
No
play.
problem. Good doggy.
Entity.
I'm just playing.
I saw them flew over there. I saw them like fly right across there.
Wait.
We're going this end.
Oh my god, that sucked. So I didn't actually click it. No, wait.
There we go. I'm surprised nobody's noticed I got glasses on. Hey.
Yep.
Hi, man. More mature. Hi, man. But I don't know you. Hey, don't be kid.
Found you. Oh my gosh. You scared me. Go to the portal. Guys, go to the portal.
Why?
You wanna go in the portal? The fuck?
Hold on, I don't know, I wanna be Sin.
Oh jeez, oh jeez. Blame the logo? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck you doing here, Morty?
I'm
Big
allowed
bar.
to.
Oh jeez.
It's the big bar, twin.
Oh
Why are
jeez.
there so many? Why are there multiple Mortys? The fuck?
Oh jeez.
You have a
Morty!
They are over there.
Fuck! I said Morty in his own voice.
See that man?
You know, actually, your avatar's not fucking loading. Dipshit.
What is life?
Fucking
Yeah,
twat.
well, last time I checked,
I'm getting old.
Yo, shut up.
Yo.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm not a part of this. I'm not a part of this, bro. I'm not a part of this.
You wanna go to the portal?
It's just.
Alright,
In.
Yeah, let's go.
In. Go to the portal. Go.
Oh, I gotta go up there. Duh.
I don't see any pole. Oh well.
It's better than fucking head.
No. Don't know. I don't know. Yeah, nothing. Hmm.
The prototype, right? Right, that's too bright for me.
I thought Godzilla was big.
Let me look.
Let me look.
Oh, you want to come see it? Come here.
Oh, I found
Hi,
it.
excuse me. Yes. I have a question for you.
Cartman, would you call everybody you're a dirty Jew?
Come on, man. I have a really question to ask you.
Cartman, you have to call him a slur. Cartman, you have to call him a slur.
Okay, so if a non-binary said they were straight, what gender would they date?
What?
Yes, if a non-binary said they were straight, what would they date? I never figured out the answer yet.
Question. You know
That's
not binary. He also is straight, apparently, allegedly. I don't know. He did. I guess I doubt that. How? Wait,
No,
that actually
no,
makes.
you're not
That actually,
anymore.
that's a good question because if you were non-binary, you wouldn't really.
Out of
That's
here.
not the
What the hell was that?
Hey, buddy, how's the CIA, bro? You're not real, bro. You are not real. How's the office, bro?
I'm not real.
Everything I do is pay from those. So just everything in your